Content freshness is not just about updating timestamps. It's about knowing exactly when an update will actually impact performance. First, we identify the true age of your content. Our Page Freshness Detector cross-checks multiple data points and on-page signals to pinpoint when the page was genuinely last modified, not just when it was redeployed. Then we connect that to real user intent, because not every topic needs to be fresh. A how-to guide from 3 years ago might still be perfect, but pricing, regulations, product updates, or breaking trends can go stale fast, and that is where visibility is won or lost. Search engines and AI systems prioritize the most current, trustworthy information when users expect it. If your content looks outdated, it is less likely to rank, less likely to be cited, and often skipped entirely in AI-generated answers. Content freshness shows you exactly where those gaps exist, so you stop wasting time on low-impact updates and focus only on the pages where recency directly drives traffic, authority, and conversions. The result is smarter prioritization, faster wins, and content that stays competitive in both traditional and AI-powered search.